Okay, today I'm going to show you. I have 8 gig pen drive here, but if I'm copying things, it do says okay, let me try so I watch it. Okay, so I'm sending this to the 8 gig, so you can see what it's saying. The file pnt so is large, so I'm going to work on that right now. So what you do is come here, format it, go to format, okay, go to format and select this to NTFs, go to start, and then let's wait. Yes, so right here, let's try again and see. This is the file. It's about 4 point something gig. Yes, simple and sharp. Yeah, it's your boy JUCHAKA. Follow me, and for you to watch more videos, subscribe and like. Press on that like button. Let's get it.